Well, some relief from the heat. Well, it's almost here. In fact, as we're heading into the afternoon hours, we have that cold front. We can see it. It's sliding through western Pennsylvania as we speak, and it will be very comfortable by the end of the day. We're actually seeing some breaks in the clouds, maybe some light mist here or there in the Pittsburgh area, but besides that, should be dry the rest of the day. The airport is showing partly cloudy skies, 82 for the temperature. Notice the winds now out of the northwest at 14 miles an hour, but our dew point still way up there. It's at 70 degrees. The barometer also 29 and 91 hundredths of an inch. Does look like the cold front, at least the last little bit of it, is going to be just on top northern parts of Butler County, right over into Lawrence County as well. This will be around the Newcastle area they were looking at for that. That front will continue to slide in, drier, cooler air behind it. Also, our wind speeds will start to pick up. Could see some wind gusts topping 20 miles an hour. So here's a look at current temperatures. You will notice the coolest of the air is definitely off to the east. That's because that's where they're seeing some rain, or have seen some rain very recently. Champion 70, 68 in Somerset, and Latrobe at 75. We do have partly cloudy skies from Pittsburgh off to the north now. Newcastle at 82, Beaver Falls 81, Butler 82, and Pittsburgh 82 degrees. We'll still see some times over the next 2 hours or so where we'll be overcast before we really start to see those skies clearing out. So we're going to go 82. Yeah, the temperature that we're seeing right now for our expected high temperature today. We might hit 83 before that front slides in, but that will be about it. Winds will be out of the northwest at 7 to 17 miles an hour, about where they are now. But don't forget, once again, wind gusts will likely be into the 20s at times this afternoon. You can really start to see where that cold front is located at with the dew point. We just are monitoring what's above and below 65. Anything above 65 is shaded in the green. If it's below, it's going to be clear. We're looking at that front slowly sliding down to the south. As it does, our dew points will drop. By this evening, we're going to be looking at some really comfortable weather outside. So that comfortable weather is set to return. What about temperatures? Here's how I think that things break down. We'll be right at around 82, 81 degrees for the next couple of hours, dropping down to 79 at 6, 74 at 8, and 70 degrees at 10 o'clock. Temperatures will likely fall right around the 60-degree mark. I think most places falling just below 60 degrees. That'll be a difference of a good 10, maybe upwards of 15 degrees cooler than where we started out with this morning. What about the rest of the week? We're going to keep it dry both Wednesday and on Thursday. Rain chances will be back. They'll be relatively low, but they'll still be around Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and on Monday. Here's your 7-day outlook. We'll put some numbers, those high temperatures and low temperatures with the rain chances there. And you can see we do dip down to about 80 degrees for a high on Wednesday, 83 on Thursday, and then warmer on Friday, but still mid to low 80s and fairly comfortable weather over the course of the weekend is what we're expecting.
Yeah, a lot of nice days ahead.
Yep.
Thank you, Ron.